Hey Relovers, happy Saturday. I've been outside working in the yard and I got an unexpected package. Well, I knew it was coming, but I didn't think it was coming today, and I just can't sit and stare at a sealed up package all day long, so I'm gonna quickly open it. It was actually an idea that we had for a Junior Relover who has inherited her mother's LV passion. Her name is Reese, and she's in 3rd grade, and she had a special request. She needed something to put her phone and her wallet in for when she's out and about. So when I got a call of a pochette from a friend in Florida that was described as new, I thought, I met her mom about a year ago in the group, and there it goes. She is in Greenville, the Greenville area, and I got to meet her daughter, and she's a sweet gal. She's very spirited, and she loves fashion, and she likes to talk with us grown-ups about it. So I hope she approves of this piece. So all the way from Florida, let's see what we have. Well, so yes, it's in a box. The size is right. It still has some tissue on it. I think they've broken the seal. They tried to tape it back up. All right, the dust bag looks right. It looks really good. This is I love these ones, the felty ones, and you can tell by the even stitching that it is genuine. And also the screen print, it's not faded, doesn't have a ripple of color, it's evenly pressed, and it's centered and straight on there. For some reason on replicas, they always have the worst dust covers. The worst. And I mean, that's the first thing I look at. Okay, I'm kind of excited. I don't know if there was a receipt with it. Okay, here we go. Wow, it does look new. This is the multicolor en blanc. It is the collaboration between Louis Vuitton and Murakami, Takashi Murakami. He is a Japanese pop artist, and they came up with 33 different colors for all these L's and V's and clover. Pretty impressive, look at that. Not a single rub. Look at the hardware. Fabulous. The heat stamp looks good to me. Look at the lining. Oh, there's some papers. That's so bling. You can also use this chain and carry it as a crossbody. I had fun looking for this. I'm very pleased with the way it came out, and I cannot wait to show her. Have a good Saturday.